Mom, I'm pregnant.
What? Whose child is this? Your dad is coming today! What will I say about your pregnancy? What? He's coming now? Yes, and you're showing. We need an explanation. Oh no, this is bad. Really bad. Do you have any idea how hard I work to get inside this house? The second your father walks in and sees what you've done, he's gonna throw us both onto the street. I am not going back to the dirt because of your mistake. Get out of my sight! Oh no, this is a mess! The baby is coming. We need to get help! It's happening!